Howdy folks, David here from American Chevrolet in Modesto, California, and today we're going to talk about the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. First thing I think about when I think about the Malibu is safety, safety, safety. But before we get into the safety, let's take a look at the 2018 sleek lines in the stylish Cajun red color. Fantastic color that's got people raving all over the country. Now the first thing I'm going to do when we talk about safety is we're going to talk about the remote keyless start. Cold mornings, you can get into your vehicle, warming it up so that you're in a proper state of mind when you're driving your vehicle. In addition, you can start your vehicle when you're on the run from zombies, getting out of harm's way quicker into safety when you need it. Now, let's just hop in this vehicle really quick and take a look at the first thing that's most obvious. You've got this 7-inch touchscreen display. Basically, you can do all the things that you need, from check your phone, you can update your settings, listen to your favorite music with available XM, or you have 5-star OnStar service standard with these vehicles. We've also have the Vehicle Driver Information Center right here that gives you all of the information that you might want, from miles per gallon to miles per hour, tire pressure sensors, and safety notifications when your doors are open. This vehicle is surrounded by sensors, giving you notifications when you're in harm's way or harm is in your way. In addition, on this touchscreen display, you'll see the rear backup camera giving you a good view of the things that you normally couldn't see. On this 2018 Malibu, we've got a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 163 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The Malibu is about 193 inches long, if I'm not mistaken. Meaning, we've got more space for everything, from the front passengers to the driver to the rear passengers. You've got plenty of space. You can even take a nap in here if you'd like. In addition, on the back, we've got the USB ports for charging. Also, a 120 volt charging station as well, right here, so you can plug your computer in and connect to the internet with the 4G LTE Wi-Fi. That's right, folks, you can get on your computer in the back of this vehicle and watch movies. It's fantastic. And to finish things off, we're going to open up the trunk and just show you how much more space we have. So we've seen the front, the middle, here's the back of the vehicle. This trunk goes deep, deep. Hello! You hear the echo. And so if you want to increase your cargo hold, push these buttons here, push the seats down, and you've got all the space you need. This 2018 Malibu is a fantastic vehicle, and we hope you come down to American Chevrolet to check one out today.